Hi, I'm Marion Loosely, sales representative for McWane Ductile. I have a daughter in a high school physics class this year, and both of us are struggling to figure out some of those problems. There's a lot of scary words being thrown around, words like velocity and mass, acceleration, inertia. It can be pretty tough to make heads or tails of it all. And the same can be true for the waterworks industry. We have some pretty scary words as well. Words like hydrostatic, thrust restraint, deflection, circumference. Thankfully, McWane has developed the perfect tool to help us answer some of the most common questions in the waterworks industry. It's called the Pocket Engineer. It's called the Pocket Engineer because it was designed to be an app on your mobile device that fits in your pocket. You can find it on the App Store by searching for McWane Pocket Engineer, and it'll look like this. Remember in your high school math class when your teacher wouldn't let you use a calculator because you wouldn't always have one with you? Well, guess what? You can also access the Pocket Engineer by going to a web browser, and that's what's being shown here. As you can see, most of the McWane family of companies have resources available. We have ductile iron pipe, of course, but we also have fittings, valves and hydrants, plumbing, utility poles. We even have resources available in French and Spanish. Think of a professor in a hard hat. So even if you know how to do it by hand, the Pocket Engineer is where you go to do it quickly and accurately. I hope you'll enjoy learning about these simple yet powerful tools as we go along. Thanks for watching, and until next time, work hard, work smart, and work safe.